Today we are going to talk about the rock cycle. We have three types of rocks. One, sedimentary rocks, two, igneous rocks, and third, metamorphic rocks. Now, I am going to talk about sedimentary rocks. What are sedimentary rocks? Sedimentary rocks are made from small pieces of rocks stuck together. These small pieces of rocks are called sediments. Where do sediments come from? Sediments come from broken up rocks. The broken up rocks will be broken by the high and low temperature and dead animals and dead plants. How many types of sedimentary rocks do we have? We have three types of sedimentary rocks. One, sandstone, second, shale, and third, limestone. These three has their own example. For example, sandstone and quartz could change into sandy soil. Shale could change into clay soil, and many more. Now, what is the cycle of the sedimentary rock? First, in the mountain, there are some plants. The plant's roots will break the rocks. The broken up rocks will go into the water.